وانا قاعد بطلع 27 مره واكلت
Mama lama bawa kalau leva.
ولا غلا
Ya, ulah pakai taksi naik taeao.
عندي جوب من
Oleh lepang
دالاس ونروح هذا محمود طويل هذا ببيع
Salam kisah mai oleh nuf. Leiti oleh nuf, lebih oleh ile. Tapi kes airport in Victoria. Ya. Koeaiga lah ya kaman yangan na ni maua. Ini fafine. So si time la waktu mana ya si taxi. Ya, kalau Vilia si mai de taxi. Oleh kamu saving. Oleh 13 cap.
خلص الدكتور بتردوا على دالاس شوبينج سنتر وين هذه
لأنه بكاسي
شوية خضرة ويرجع يطلع راكبة.
عليه كاي ما هو يقول ميكي أقوى.
معه كابتشات.
وهي كيا يا. كله بيا لا. بيا سكاري.
ايوه
الميتة بتطلعوا من 100 مليون
خلاص فيها ورجع دورات بتربح اكثر لانه كل فتحه
يا عم انت بده يروح على الدكتور يا عم الدكتور ما بيضلوا عنده شي 40 دقيقة نص ساعة ولا حتى يطلع بدك تضطر 40 دقيقة لحتى يرجع دور الميتة
هلا بتحكي معه هيك اذا ما عجبه قال له بدك تضل
هي إنه
لا انت احكي معه هيك قال له اول شيء ما بدك تضل
وجيكي بالاس مسيرو ما
أبي تلعب بحدا دولة؟
قال له خلص
قالوا له ولا فري باي
قالوا بيس مالكم
اسمه الاتحاد
موتور سيرافيا
لا بدك قال له انه
وتاني ما للتاكسي
هلا انا بحكي معه
فامي
لا
انا هلا رايح على بس وقف بنزل بتصل فيه وبرجع اخبره
حبني هيك عطاهم
قال له بدي اخلي البيت هون لانه شمال مدينه طب يضرك ساعه عند الدكتور ويضرك على الفضا اذا قال لي ايه بيمشي الحال
وانا جاي قال له ده دمر هيك
اذا هذا دمر عمره يستفيد هذا بس هو بده شمال يحكي عربي
لا بده شو يحكي عربي هو ممكن يقول هون
يروح ياخذ هون
روح يروح
ايه
ما بشوفه
أنا بالله قلت له يا عمي هذا شوفان بدي بدخل البيت هون وين ما بياخذك بدخل البيت هون
Ici, ici, ici,
أنا بحكي معك رد على خبر
اللي ما هو رد عليك
رد على خبر قبل 12 قبل 12
lawa uva malelimas fukala le mika la kama le makeo e vai e kasi le malanga sone wa winga limas fuka ai le kai na mau le kai na mau ale wo uva le la o le umas fukala $55 right now. Alele kai ngau ke lo pole o se la kala. Lean. Ya mane ko saula. Para ele o makinoa. Po ia le ana ko e au mai na be ave fa. Po 6 ave taxi. Awai faakagā malele ya na o poini. O manga o e ko e vile ma e ngale. O e kuli mai le si taxi. Ya. Ako akuli ako lofo ile o le taxi e avea ia le fale ai le fapi o funga le kanga le avea ko e au mai fo le fapi na mo fa no mo winga e ansi ko e na le ko wa ia na ko e sa ia ko e a le fale e ma ai onanga trip le kasi le ave mo bolia ke luai o fa marcela kala ya se mo kanga ko i kule ya telefoni i le mika e iloa pe fia o mana e maua langa triple kas ale langa fa misko i nei ke a inga o fa ko a mau i se mai fa me e mafainga nga ko e au mai nga ule e abile fa ya mo faile ele fa pe nga mo fa me an vai
In 3 kilometers, use the left lane to take the boundary road exit towards State Road 32.
O ke mi vo vedi vo lo ko fia ru fa e vili sa wa ya ule tenu melane ale compagnie taxi e sa e kuli mai la ko le taxi avea mi fa ile fa ni ava ai lai fa nga la ko ina le fa mai ke e le aru le fa le ala ka milo ya ile piccole la e le ave ya e ole ke mi wa uma o manga awe ko e le taxi wa uvili lo ya o fuli e lo le compagnie taxi o ya le go ile kule fa ile o gomi e ko e vili mai le ngai e mo moli ya le fane o lo winga na ma ko si kuea apa fai e ko na ke ko ya vea fo ya le fane o lo winga ke lo e o mama de lua se la wile i langa pase se le kasia o le a mane kuesa e ma ko si kuea ya o le fanga sis o le ke anu la appointment ile where are we going ngaru ile miele de faide oh Boundary Road
In 600 meters, use the
Leverton.
left lane to take the boundary road exit towards State Route 32.
o ke alo fala si ko inga mai ima hopefully ko le ava ngala yes ko inga e sabe ko mo molia o fale
Use the
I
left
ke
lane
wang
to
mo
take
fol
the
mai
boundary road exit.
ma coses kanga kai ngofo I le sai le ko va penga na fa yo me o kama o ko inga le e ngofo o
In
le sai
300 meters, use the left lane
e
to take
ngofo
the
o le
boundary
sai
road
le
slip
ke
road
ngofo
to
ai
State Route 32,
Nyalanga nga
Princess
ko le
Highway.
vai nga vai ele umianga li fo ai
Use the left lane to take the boundary
Yeah.
road slip road, then merge onto boundary road.
ai O vai a kula ele miko. Ele miko. O pele mai fone. O te. Ele miko. Ele koi ki a un fiku kala. Ia langa pasi se le kai mingi ia langa lele io. How many more minutes? How many more minutes?
3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 more minutes.
Yeah.
Ka whiwha ia koe si koe inga malo whauli ai le hape koe inga i o palau vale a koe anga.
The person you are calling is not available.
Hi, oh, hi te kori sa'u. Ia, malo. Hi sis, sene. Ua. Da ke mi ke alua i lau.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Little Boundary Road, C844.
Ia ole area ngi ka o Leverton. Sa ka ai fu I never less. Oh, last week on Thursday. On this side. So o mele so se mga ala e uso i eso ale la popo o ka avale o loli o langa ole area ngi ole industrial area this area ai sweet industrial area lo karangori ko inga te ai le o ele o amo ba e looks like industrial area kele ele mo le fale fa inga luinga kiwa kele ka fa inga luinga e o mai nga inga isa Fis vai kala de fies kupe ai kupe loko ko asa ulios ko ingale pikia ale se wali ai ave ha wa nga I ole city ko ki over male kula o drive akele yango ala
Exit the roundabout onto Little Boundary Road.
kele yango ai si akipe pe ka ifia kupe ye mawale awali
In 500 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
That was 70. Como faia kau my be.
On the left?
That was 70. Left?
Huh?
Is it left? I'm not sure. Haven't been here before.
Oh, no.
I've never been here before.
You have arrived.
Where is it? This one here?
7107.
This one here?
Yeah, if it says, what is it says? West side winds.
Number 3.
Is it number 3?
Number 3, little boundary.
38 to
No,
40?
hang on. Number 38.
38 to 40.
Where's the 38?
So it 1 building.
7.
Oh.
38. I don't know where. Like here somewhere. 38.
Ashley
Where's the
Services.
38? Oh, 32 here. I've got 32, might be that one there.
Where?
Huh?
I've never.
I'll have a look. 38. Where's the 38 here? Where's the 38? Let's go and see what the 38 here must be here.
Ito wabi nga ya kaawali mo fa lang GPS FCD maya.
38.
Uya so.
Not this one. What this?
No.
What's the name of the...
The name? You don't have the name? Okay, hold on. Kele lang. Yeah.
Let's see here. This is 32 here.
Yeah.
38 must be further down.
Further down. Yeah. You turn too quickly.
38. 38. Where's the 38 here?
Okay.
I can't see the number.
38.
18. What is 18 here? 38.
Maybe further down. This looks like industrial
Look like
buildings. Maybe this one.
What is number 10? 38 minutes.
Yeah, we can drive inside.
Huh?
Can we drive inside this? What's that saying?
I don't know what the number here. Maybe the other side, I'm not sure.
Do you want me to check?
I've got here. Hang on, I've got here. I think on the service station before. 38.
Maybe that service station.
Let's
That
see, let's see.
petrol station.
Maybe here. No? What is a doctor?
Yeah, it's a doctor.
Where's the 38 here?
Maybe we can ask the petrol.
I'll go.
That petrol.
Yeah, I'll go and see the
Yeah,
petrol.
just ask where's the ferry to 40.
Must be in the petrol station. I don't know. I'll have a look. 38. Where's the 38 here?
8 it's a milai po.
Where's the 38? That's 8B. I think the number going back.
Oh my God.
The number going up now.
Do you wanna ask the petrol station?
No.
People?
I think back that way.
Okay.
I'll have a look.
Yeah.
I'll go around. I'll go around and have a look.
We ready for Syria?
Yeah. 38, 32. Oh, thank you. 32 over there. See? The 32. You have a look the number with me.
Yeah. Yes.
You check the number.
I only see these small
19,
numbers.
18. This is 32 here.
32.
Must be 38 the next one.
Yeah, I think it's going up.
32. Must be here somewhere. They don't have a number here. Why they don't have a number? 28, 30.
Maybe those buildings, those grey ones,
32,
on the other
34.
side.
That 34
Yeah.
must be there.
Okay.
That building there.
Yeah, that building on the other side.
No, that building there maybe.
Oh, 32.
Not in here.
No, it looks like it's going up.
Yeah, it's going up there. Maybe there. See where the trucks is? 34, 32 here.
No, I'm saying that
You're
we go
38.
further, it's gonna, the number goes down.
It's going up or down?
I think the way we are going, it's going down. Because we are seeing 32,
No, hang on,
34.
hang on. What's the number here? Number 4 what?
Yeah, I'm checking.
They have no
I'm
number
looking.
here.
I'm looking.
Huh?
I'm looking. Maybe
38. Where's the 38 here?
I really think the 38 is
38.
going down.
We got 34. Must be there. 30 next to 34. 34. Hang on.
Even yeah.
I'll have a look. Oh, that's 38. Where's the man standing there?
Okay.
See the man standing there?
Yeah, okay.
38. Where's this one here?
Wait until it's clear. It's
For motion, yeah.
see my
38. That's 38 here.
Yeah. Where's the 38?
Free boxing class here.
Okay.
38 here.
Okay.
That's
Good.
Huh?
Good.
That's the one?
I'm not sure.
This is number one here.
Maybe.
This what?
Oh, we should ask those ladies.
Injury.
I think it's somewhere here.
That's the doctor. Must be that one.
Oh, there. I can see it.
That one.
Occupational.
This
yes.
one here.
Yes. Injury management.
Huh?
Yeah, it's this one here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So where you going
When you
now?
come out, you call. I'll be
Yeah.
waiting here.
All right.
Don't call inside. When you come out, you call.
Yeah, I called the taxi, the company.
Yeah, call the company.
And
But
then-
when you come out, don't call from inside.
Yes. Okay, hopefully they will call you.
If you come out here and you call the company from here.
Yeah, okay. Bukan makai kupe. Ele mga away ko sa usisi. E piki awe aben fa. Thank you.
If one on the blue one, if that was your first one, then it wouldn't have been there because you wouldn't have had one. But
Yeah, I'm here now.
Given to you that line.